Alright, y'all. Why is my PC making that fucking noise? It's like every time I smack it, it starts working. But literally the second I woke up, I took this trade. So if I scroll out, like, bruh, just look at it. This is like the most obvious trade. Whoa, look how perfect that is. But anyways, let's get into it. Hold on. Switch it over like this at least. Alright, number one. See an obvious breakthrough. We have a fair value gap. We have an order block right there. We have a breaker over here. It's a very obvious trade. I was recording it on my phone. It's like literally the second I woke up, bro. This was perfect. So we have another order block right here. I say this the 15 seconds. And if I hit break even, that'll be more perfect because like y'all didn't get the live entry. Not even my screen recording on my phone got the live entry, but I'm gonna go ahead and get some water because I deadass just woke up, bro. But I'm gonna start posting every single trading day to YouTube. I'm gonna keep it completely transparent. Yesterday I didn't trade at all. So, yeah, we have last week. Last week wasn't too good. We had a positive month, but it just shit was weak, bro. Shit was weak as hell. So we didn't trade yesterday. We are trading today. So we gonna keep it completely transparent. I gotta fucking lock in for real. But yeah, we're gonna let this run because it's a decent trade. We're in a little accumulation phase right now. I guess we'll make it look pretty real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get some water and shit. So we have this fair value gap on the 15-second. I'm not gonna extend it too far. We have this one on the 1 minute. We have this breaker block on the 1 minute. We have this order block on the 1 minute. We're at all-time highs. Keep that in mind. The trend is definitely overall bullish. We're in an accumulation phase right here. Make that a little different color. Some slight, so we're gonna drop down. And then we have a, you know what, low-key, like, I'll take this. I'll just go break even. If it wants to drop all the way down, like wick below consequent encroachment of this 15-second gap into this order block. It's also the rejection wick on over here. I want this to hit real quick, and then I'm gonna move it to break even. Whatever this shit hits up to. Probably like right there. This is the pre-fire break even. We hit consequent encroachment and we like perfectly reject. Damn. So yeah, we accumulated and we dropped down into the consequent encroachment, which is near this order block. We didn't quite reach the order block or the rejection wick over here, but we did break out of this accumulation zone. See if it wants to retest. I just want to see it hit that limit buy. Should I even add this? I think I should. I just want to see it hit real quick. I don't even care if it hits my break even. I want to see it hit. I'm gonna move it to break even, and I mean it has a great bullish reaction out of there. Honestly, I think I pre-fired the break even like perfectly. I'm gonna just throw on a little bit more clothes because it's cold as fuck, and then I'm gonna go get some water.
Order filled.
Did it hit? Oh, it did, and I pre-fired the break even perfectly, boy. Okay, we just got back, baby. Looks like we completely, well, we tapped into this order block. I just got back. I just said that. Okay, interesting. Tapped into this order block. We left order block at the order block. We also left a perfect fair value gap I'm gonna change. Oh, color's already changed. um, Once I reach 1K profit, I'm gonna go ahead and sell one and secure 500 profit on the day. I'm gonna text somebody really quick about trading real quick, so I'm gonna not talk. Everybody's talking about the government shutdown, and I'm not too political, but the government did shut down because so we have you got border block right here. But the government shut down because we refused to give billions of dollars in medical care to illegals, and just like, and I'm not political too much, but that's what that's what they said. But hold on, let me type this out. So we hit the order block fair value gap. We could come down, tap this, revisit this. We don't really have any inverse gaps to look at. We have this one on the 1 minute, this BPR on the 1 minute. As you can see, we're perfectly on the 1 minute. We are closing at the rejection block. Looks good. On the 15-second, we're accumulating a little bit. Market opens in 11 minutes, 10.5 minutes. If I get hit break even here, that'll be cool. We're about to tap into this inverse gap. So I'm gonna draw that out a little bit too. That's the first inverse gap. Completely tapped it perfectly on the 1 minute. That'd be cool if we don't go under that. Also using my theory. Steep discount right here. So if I were to project, we could low-key go all the way up to the fucking up here, bro. That'd be insane. It's 5. Yeah, that looks perfect, bro. Take profit at 25222. We tapped right back into the reclaimed order block. Tapped into the 15-second order block. We could completely reject off this. We could also just completely go down for a Judas swing. Get everybody out, get me out for the most part. Tapping into this rejection block. Reclaimed rejection block. We could want to come all the way down. Consequent encroachment of this rejection block, if not lower. We inverse this bullish gap. We have this bearish gap right here. It's a little bit cold. We have this bearish order block right here. Could come all the way up to this order block. Currently in the Judas swing right now. Almost took me out. Not quite. Look, you might take me out here. I guess we'll see what happens. Whatever happens, happens. Let me get some water in me. Fuck. But if I get hit break even, I'm gonna take one more trade, and then if I lose, I'm definitely done. And then if I win, then we're chilling. We have an inverse gap on the 15-second right here. We can zoom in. I'm gonna keep this chart here for the most part though. Literally the smallest inverse gap. We inversed it though. If we can close above here, that'll be changed in delivery. I also want to completely close above this inverse gap. So let's see if we can get this. We gotta change the state delivery with the. Oh, that's perfect, bro. So this close and this open. So the open of this candle and the close of this candle, we came down. We filled that in. Not the inverse. We filled that volume imbalance perfectly. Tapped into that order block. Could want to come down again, but this could be a breakaway gap. We filled this imbalance. As we see, it's like an immediate rebalance. Came all the way down. We refilled it again. Tap it into that order block. We opened lower. Now we're gonna shoot back up. Currently tapped into the 15-second order block. Could want to go lower though, because we just tapped into this bearish order block, bearish fair value gap. Yeah, we've shot down into the inverse gap. Great reactions off that. I'm gonna just keep my break even where it's at. Like if I, oh damn, I get stopped out here, Loki. Yeah, this is like final straw. Looks good though. I want to see this order block completely form on the 1 minute. So yeah, it's looking really good. I don't know why we're going down so much, but that's the Judas swing manipulation move. Market opens in T minus 6 minutes 20 seconds now. Yeah, it's looking decent. Okay, so this liquidity came all the way down. I bet a lot of people are going to be taking shorts around here. We have a bearish fair value gap. Have an inverse all the way up here with this order block. It looks decent for shorts. Don't get fooled at the all-time highs.
Order filled.
Damn! I just got fucking filled. Pause. That sounds gay. But we gonna be looking for a re-entry. I might wait until market open. We might want to drop down at market open a little bit. Where would we want to drop down? This fair value gap, this order block. I'm gonna go ahead and limit order 1 here. And then let's see how it's looking on the 15-second. Yeah, we also have this inverse gap on the 15-second. I want to see it drop below this accumulation phase. We could at least sweep this out into this order block for value gap. Looks decent. I'll draw it out, even though I'm not taking my trade off that. So limit by 1 at the deep discount for value gap on the 1 minute, and then at the inverse on the 15-second. Could want to form at this order block, come down, tap this. We might want to come down and tap this order block as well. We have these equal lows relatively, but I don't think it'll come all the way down for that. It could though. I might take my stop loss right here, which isn't the smartest idea. We have triple equal lows on the 15-second. We have a lot of equal lows over here. Do I really want to take this trade? Because this is where my stop loss would be. I think just for today is cool. It's not that big of a deal. If I lose, I lose. And I'm about to hop on the Alpha Futures accounts pretty soon. But whatever happens, happens. This is going to be my actual trade. Give y'all a live execution. But yeah. So we have this 15-second inverse gap. For the most part, all the bodies are staying inside of it. It's looking pretty decent. Okay. 3 minutes left until market open. We shoots up. We shoot up. I might take a little trade. If it wants to come down, fill this volume and balance. Tap this order block on the 15-second. And then I'm going to have my stop loss literally right here. Going to do a little trade. And if this one gets hit, then I'm fine with that. I don't know. If this gets hit and takes me out, I might take away one of these limit buys.
Order filled.
Okay. $70 risk. That ain't shit. Oh, I'm actually surprised it filled me. Holy shit. Yeah, that shit should not have filled me. It never does. But it did right there. So, once we reach $250 profit, I'm going to go ahead and move to break even. If we can reach $750 profit, I'm going to go ahead and move to $500 secured profit. We retap into it. That's perfect. It's pretty close, though. We're getting a lot of volatility at the new minute open. That's insane. 56. So, yeah, this is within my regimen for trading. 10-point stop. I'm not going above a 10-point stop. So 56. I'm gonna go down to 46. Let's go like right here. 46 flat, 10-point stop, because I'm sure it's gonna come down, hit this at least. If it wants to hit this as well, this will become the 10-point stop. Because I think we might want to come down, tap this rejection block. Fuck.
Order filled.
Yeah, okay, it stopped me out. I've had a feeling it would. That's fine. I want to at least make sure my stop loss is 1 tick below the consequent encroachment of this rejection block, because it's just speaking to me. So we have a rejection block that validated this order block. So 1 point below the consequent encroachment of this rejection wick, which is also below the equal lows down here. So I'm going to just take this trade. If I lose, then I lose. It is what it is. I don't have too much of a buffer, $850 buffer, but I can risk 500 and then come into tomorrow risking 250. We reclaim this order block, but I think we want to shoot down a little bit more. Maybe at market open, we just like really, really shortly shoot down, like boom, and then we go up. Because normally on bearish days, that's exactly what we're going to want to do. It's like, holy shit. Nah, bro, what am I doing? Okay. Fuck. Am I about to get stopped out? Probably. Nah, it's cool. Dude, this is stupid as hell. I didn't know. Spare me. Yeah, nah.
Order filled.
Boom. Damn. Hella deep dives. We just gonna fucking. So we tapped into this 15-second. Boom, full port. I think we definitely overdid it a little bit. It's $550 loss if we lose for today. That's not bad.
Order filled.
Boom, and we got fucked. So we have a $350 buffer for tomorrow. I guess that's what I get for trading before market open. But damn, yeah, now we're gonna shoot up a little bit. But at least it's not that long of a video. I kind of just want to see how it plays out a little bit. 15-second order block right here. Should we? I mean, I still have $30 to play with.
Order filled.
Is this stupid? I mean, obviously it's stupid. But oh, we just got edged. I literally deserve to be taken out right now. This is not smart at all. I got edged again, damn. Let's go work out though. Hella wicks. I got edged again. Fuck. Yeah, no. Don't do what I'm doing right now. This is stupid as fuck. I mean, when you know though. Like, always trust your gut for sure. How much of a... Yeah, the RR on this trade is going to be fucking insane. If it hits, fuck. Okay, no, it didn't hit. Of course it didn't. 40 cents left in my buffer. $325 coming into tomorrow. If I lose that $325, I'm going to blow this fucking account. But it is what it is. It's not that big of a deal. Thanks for watching today's trade. Honestly, I didn't think this was going to happen, bro. We're at all-time highs, and we just want to completely sell off at market open. This is definitely a Judas swing for sure. So we have this accumulation. We have this breaker block. So I think we might want to sweep the accumulation. We definitely swept the triple equal lows. So we might want to come down here, ultimately tap here, tap this order block, and then boom, shoot up. I just want to see how we react off of this order block, if we even want to come down to it. So this is like my for show level. Make it like golden, orange, or whatever the fuck. So we have this breaker block. We have a couple volume imbalances on the 1 minute. We have this order block on the 1 minute for value gap on the 1 minute. I want to see how we react at this level. And then after that, I'm going to end the recording. I'm going to post it to YouTube because every day, I don't give a damn if I win or lose. I'm going to start posting this shit to the YouTube, bro. Because, you know, might as well. I need to get back into trading for real. Let's see how it reacts off this level. So what happened? I mean, we have this accumulation upwards, come down into this order block, tapped into this breaker. We're currently accumulating around here. I think we want to shoot down one more time, if anything. But we could low-key just... Nah, that's too perfect for us to just completely shit down. So, okay, we tapped into here. Tapped into the order block. Alright, let's see what happens. Check on the 15-second. So, ultimate breaker, order block. We have a slower breaker. We have this order block. Damn. This is like final straw for me. Tapped into this order block. It's just kind of sitting there perfectly. Let's just go ahead and buy with the 40 cents I have left. Boom.
Order filled.
And we are done. It's cool. 315. $312 buffer for tomorrow. But if we inverse this gap, I can only assume we're going to go up. Let's see what happens really quickly. What should I... Let me check Forex Factory real quick. Oh, it's just tentative news. Unemployment rate turned into a yellow folder. So yeah, we don't really have too much today. But I think that we might genuinely reverse up off this. Let's see if I'm right or not. I didn't know we were going to have this big of a Judas swing. From 180 all the way down to... Yeah, that's a 70-point Judas swing. If the ultimate move isn't bearish. A Judas swing is like the manipulation move down. Accumulating inside of this 15-second. That's fucked. Perfectly tapped the consequent encroachment of the 15-second though. That's kind of weird. Because we're at all-time highs. I mean, surely we want to sell off a little bit, am I right? Because, like, goddamn. 9 a.m. Oh, that's yesterday's? Damn. Yeah, we literally went up all day. I would have got stopped out on this trade, too. We have this accumulation. We have this complete gap. If we were to go from here to here. Yeah, so we have the liquidity underneath the deep discount of this. This is like definitely the more prominent range. From 5:30 a.m., which is like when New York actually opens. I think it's at 5 a.m. So yeah, we came up, swept this, came down, tapped in this order block, went all the way up. So now we have this prominent range. I didn't even do a top-down analysis where I literally woke up, saw an order block, and then stayed on the 1 minute and 15 second. Like, what I did wrong today is I definitely could have looked out a little bit. Probably could have waited a little bit. I want to see how we react off this level. Because we have this accumulation, liquidity, accumulation, all of these little wicks going down, up, down, up, down, up in the same area. You can see this single one right here. So we just swept that, tapped into the deep discount. But honestly, with this sell-off, we low-key might have like a PM bullish move. We have, this is like, I mean, obviously I'm saying this after the fact, but you can go watch my video, literally it says how to bottom tick / top tick. This is exactly what it would have been right here. So let's see how it reacts. It's 9:38. Oh, fuck. It is what it is, Chad. Don't even trip. My mental is chilling. I took a break yesterday, which is like probably not the best day to fucking take a break. Look at this, bro. Oh. So this is a London session from yesterday. Damn. As soon as London opened, it was perfectly. It just completely went up off that. Okay, we tapped into what would have been my high to bottom tick / top tick. Very low risk. Very low risk. I think we might get smashed here too. So we're at all-time highs and we have a completely perfect bearish move. That's interesting. It looks like it wants to respect it a little bit. So take our entry at 25086.5. And then stop loss like a little bit more than 10 ticks, 10 points under, this would be the perfect $250 risk. So 10 points on NQ, which is 10 MNQ contracts, $250 right there. And as you can see, we didn't hit it. This is my deep discount. So you have the prominent range. So New York AM opens, we come down. So we sweep out this, come down, tap into this. Oh, damn. It doesn't matter. We got smashed here too. Let's see if you put your stop loss at the low. And we got yeah, okay. I would not be looking for longs anytime soon. And people are going to be like, oh, what about the government shutdown? I don't give a fuck about no damn government shutdown. What the hell? Complete all-time highs going based off yesterday's price action. I thought we might as well just keep on going up. But we got to go down before we go up. This is not no damn Judas swing. I'll tell you that much. At this point, I don't give a shit. I'm getting off the charts. It's 6:40 a.m. for me. I gotta fucking go to sleep earlier. I went to sleep at like 1 a.m. I went to sleep at 1 a.m., so I got like 5 hours of sleep. I mean, I'm not gonna blame it on the sleep. I'm not gonna blame it on the price action either. But, you know, I would like to wake up around like 5:30 a.m. for me, 8:30 a.m. And then I'm gonna take you guys through like my perfect checklist tomorrow for trading, because all I did was hop on the wall. Literally, as soon as I woke up, I looked down my phone. I took this trade over here. I literally entered as soon as it hit this. Like, I woke up, boom, hopped on the charts at this candle, boom. I bought the second it hit this order block, boom. Went break even, bought again at this rejection block, 15-second fair value gap. Bought right here, boom. Take profit, or not take profit. Motherfucking break even right here, boom. We can turn on real quick, probably just for the thumbnail. Whoa, yeah, nah, this looks so ugly, bruh. So yeah, bought one here, bought again here, and then we sold here. Maybe we can make that look a little bit better. So this is our break-even trade. And then we bought here, bought again here, bought again here. Dude, yeah, is this really how I'm trading now? Is it? I mean, if that's the case, that's fine. But I'm about to switch to Alpha Futures if I blow this account tomorrow. If I do blow this account tomorrow, it's cool, because I've been on this account for like a month. I haven't been fully locked in with trading, because something else is going well for me, and I've been locked in with that. I'm not going to give away any sauce, because I want to keep that in the niche community that I'm doing it in. But I guess the most I can say is I made a gaming YouTube channel, and it's funny as fuck, to me at least. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh my stats over there as well. On that channel that I'm talking about, I have 1,416 subs, and I've been posting. Oh, I forgot to post the YouTube video. I can post it in 18 minutes at 7 a.m. for me. But oh, literally like 2 weeks ago today. Really? Oh yeah, September 17th. Today is October 2nd. So 2 weeks ago, I posted the video. It got 26,000 views. And then 11 days ago, 2.6K. 10 days ago, 1K. That was like a shitty video. 9 days ago, 1.9K views. 7 days ago, 2.2K views. 6 days ago, 2.8K views. Another 6 days ago, 2.6K views. 4 days ago, 6.8K views. 4 days ago, 3.1K views. 3 days ago, 627 views, because I got age restricted before the video even went live. 3 days ago, 2.7K views. 2 days ago, 1.5K views. Video also got age restricted. 1 day ago, 2.1K views. And then I have a video that's coming out today that I think will also bang. A little tip for y'all. If we just completely sell off at market open, if we sell off like all the way down to 10 a.m., expect to sell off. Don't trade the sell off. Just expect to sell off until 10:30 a.m. as well. And then look for longs around p.m. Honestly, people say don't trade lunch hour. I say like lunch hour is low-key like valid as fuck. From what I've seen, I see price action myself. And maybe you shouldn't. Obviously, you shouldn't take anything I say. You know, don't take anything I say, cause like I'm a shitty ass trader, obviously. And I bet you nobody, literally nobody's watching the video still. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the editor a little bit. Make it, a little bit more bearable to watch. I'm not gonna put any music behind it though. Whoever wants the sauce can get the sauce. And it's not like I'm not gonna give you the perfect formula. Low-key tomorrow, like I might give you like a little checklist cheat code, cause I'm gonna like fully walk through to a top-down analysis. I can't remember the last time I did a top-down analysis. Top-down analysis being going through the daily chart, going through the 4 hour, going through the 1 hour, going through the 15, going through the 30 minute, going through the 5 minute. All I do is I look at the 1 minute and I look at the 15 second. That's all I've been doing for the past month. And it's not the worst, but it's also not the best, cause yeah, and I'm also not looking at the true day open, which is midnight. So you find out where midnight is. Let's just do that really quick. So horizontal ray, midnight. So we opened right here. We opened right here, 12 a.m. Open, went up, came down. Scroll out. We went below it a little bit, and then as you can see, we went below, came back up. We tapped midnight right here, literally perfectly. We could continue selling off. It's also an order block right here. Like, look at that, bro. So I'm gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna go ahead and edit this video. Fucking 38-minute video. It's not that big of a deal though. Oh, a little bit before the macro. Looks like we're about to reverse. I'm not gonna stay here for this, but we finally broke out of this. We have an order block on a 1 minute. Also, for everybody who knows me, which is like maybe 5 people max, I like to trade London session, especially my boy Sean. I don't think you're watching this video all the way through, like to the end. But if you are, number one, you locked in. Number two, that one night we traded London session and I lost a band. Yeah, hell no, I'm never doing that again. I'm gonna wait until I get better looks, get more moolah, because trading London session on a combine is fucking stupid. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit up my manager, tell that boy refresh the motherfucking funded accounts. Wait, let me check real quick, because if I did, I'm actually, yeah, just in case. Thanks for watching the video. Yeah, I have no active accounts. Yo, bruh. You got me? Question mark. I just typed my boy. I said, you got me with the resets, because I texted him yesterday. He said he'd hit me up. I mean, it is what it is, bro. But yeah, tomorrow, I'm going to lock in. Alright. That being said, I'm going to go ahead and get off this bitch, post this YouTube video. Thanks for watching. If you're even still watching at this point. If you're still watching at this point, bro, you're a fucking legend, bro. We gonna lock in, I promise you. Take my mistakes, learn from my mistakes, learn from the price action I'm showing. And like, I've been doing this consistently for over a year and 2 months now. Something like that. Like, I've been trading on fundeds for like pretty much exactly a year now. And this isn't gonna happen to you, alright? If you are a trader that chills out for the most part, like you can easily, like, it might be hard taking like only one losing trade a day, but if you're a trader and you want to get a payout soon, number one, this can't be for the money. You can't be doing this for the money. All right, keep that in your mind. Holy voice crack. But yeah, I mean, learn from my mistakes. Like, as of right here, you see we perfectly hit this constant encroachment of the 50-second gap. So we have this sell-off. We have a big gap. We have an order block right here, which we didn't tap. You include the volume and balance inside. So you go from here. Take the magnet. It's easier with the magnet. It's more precise with the magnet. With the order block all the way down here, I don't know why it looks like it doesn't fully get the wick, but apparently it does. And yeah, we just sell through again. Yeah. So this is just price action characteristics. You got to understand what market we're in. I don't. It's like too perfect. Like we for real sold off the second market open. That's insane. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. Hasta luego, bitches.